Hi there, my name is Haley Carlson, and this is my introductory video for Module 1 for Intro to School Administration. I've tried to film this like 6 times, and I keep messing up, so I think we're just gonna keep going even if I mess up. So like I said, my name is Haley. I am a high school English teacher. Right now I work in the Manhattan-Ogden School District, USD 383 here in Kansas. And I have taught 9th grade English for the last 3 years. Next year, for my 4th year in teaching, I will be taking on juniors, so I'll have American literature, which will be a really big, fun change, I think, I hope. But I'm excited for that opportunity, most definitely. Some extracurricular responsibilities and some leadership roles that I take on, they kind of go together, so I'm just going to lump them into one. So I'm on our district's vertical alignment team, and essentially that is just a teacher from every grade level across all of the district. We get together every once in a while and we make sure that teachers are understanding what they need to be teaching for the standards and the curriculum, making sure that all of it is aligned and kids are getting what they need when they need it. So that really helps with teachers knowing, okay, like I know that they get this in 8th grade, so now I can do this in 9th grade, and just really lining that out for everyone. And then it also helps us know when teachers need support. They can also be like, hey, I don't know how to teach writing to kindergartners, and we can kind of go back and talk together to get through that. So that team has been very fun. Sometimes it can be challenging because not everyone gets along all the time, but that has also been a really good way to grow in my managing skills, most definitely. Something else, so I am the tribe sponsor for our high school. We're the Manhattan Indians. That's our mascot. And so tribe is like our spirit club. So I have 15 senior girls, or guys. This year it's all girls, but 15 seniors help me do everything, really. We do pep rallies, we do the homecoming weeks, we plan the homecoming dances, we do the ceremonies for homecoming. We paint all of these beautiful signs that hang in the front windows of our school. We travel to all of the games. It's essentially a spirit club. Everything that's non-academic, we are there supporting, plays and band concerts and all of that. So that has been a really, really awesome way to get some more contact with students, and then also to see lots of my students and all of the great things that they are doing at those events. That has been so much fun. So tribe sponsor has definitely been crazy with the amount that you have to do and the amount that I have to lead, but it's been awesome. So that's another one. And then Special Olympics. This isn't necessarily academic related, but Special Olympics, I coach and I volunteer for it, and that has been something that has really helped tie me to the Manhattan community in a different way. So I don't see a lot of special ed kids throughout my day, especially the lower functioning ones. And so through Special Olympics, I get to build that community with them. And that's one of my absolute favorite things, personally, just for my leadership. I also do reading interventions at an elementary school here in Manhattan for K through 3, and I lead some groups, and I help some other staff members help to lead those groups. So I do that after school, which can be challenging. It's definitely different than teaching high school, but I do love my littles, so that's something else. And then my favorite, which definitely connects to my why I want to be an administrator, is hosting pre-service teachers. So Block 1 and Block 2 teachers from K-State, or student teachers. I had my first student teacher this last year, and it was so much fun. I love leading them, but I also love learning from them. So that definitely connects to my why. I'm in a larger district. I've definitely seen good administrators and I've seen bad administrators. And so that really pushes me to be a good one. I love school and I love learning. I love education. I always have. It's always been my passion. I love working with students. I love them so much, and I love working with adults. I just really, there's not one thing that I don't enjoy about education. And so that has really pushed me. I believe that my passion and my positivity can make me a really good administrator, and I like to lead, and I like to listen to people and help people and support people. So whether that's being a building principal or an instructional coach, I love my time in the classroom, but I know that someday I might want to do something else. And so I think this is a great, great avenue for me as I get a little bit older. So some personal information, just to kind of throw it in there. I actually teach high school at the high school I graduated from. So my coworkers are some of my old teachers. My principal was my principal that graduated me when I was in high school back in 2012. So that's been really fun. I've learned a lot. Definitely changed my perspective on lots of things working where I went to high school. I am also recently engaged. So we got engaged in March and we'll get married next May. So I have that to look forward to, I guess, too. And then just turned 25 yesterday, so July 1st. So I'm pretty young. I know I don't have a ton of experience, and I'm so super excited to learn from everyone in this class and to just suck up all the information that I can. So thanks.